Let's find amazing discount and coupon codes for Peppermayo. Hey guys, let's get started. First of all, open any of your browser and search for couponfollow.com and from there search for Peppermayo. Here you will get amazing discount codes which is verified and working as well. So tap on the one that you think is the most valid or is most useful, but make sure that it has not been expired. Copy the code and visit the link to the papermayo.com. Now, once you have selected the items and you proceed towards checkout, you will see a section called as redeem the code. Enter the code that you had before, and after that, you can just continue with the payment and you should be good to go. Likewise, to find other discount codes, go back to the previous page from where you copied the code. There you will see different options along with different codes. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.